everybody. Today we are going to make two musical instruments. One is going to be a washboard and another one is going to be the spoon. So we're going to show you how to do that. For that, you're going to need a piece of cardboard like this, and you're going to need 3 straws. We're going to need some tape and aluminum foil. Okay? All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is the washboard, and so we're gonna use our cardboard. We're gonna put some, we're gonna put the straws across the cardboard, just like this. They keep moving. All right, so you can either do one long one like this, and then place it right here. And then you place another one, and then you place another one, just like that. And then we get another piece. And we're gonna do exactly the same thing. Let me just put them a little bit. Perfect. Or you can just use a little bit of tape on each one, however you want. You can do it however you feel like it. You see? All right, so now we are going to put it upside down so I can fold the aluminum foil like this. And if you want to put some tape, that's okay. If not, just fold it like I am doing it. And also, if you want, you can put some holes on the top part. You can make some holes and then put a little bit of string, and you can hang it on your neck so you can play a little bit better. Now we're gonna do the spoons. Okay, so for that you need 2 spoons, and you're gonna get a piece of tape, and you're gonna put them like this, not facing them, but the opposite way. You're gonna put the tape around the spoons, and then we're gonna make a little bowl with the tape. And we are going to place it between the 2 spoons, more or less a little bit, more to the middle side. It had to be a little gap in between those 2. And then we're just gonna do it like this. It doesn't make noise. We're gonna try to open it a little bit more. And now it is working, okay? So you just move it up and down, and you'll find the best way. Or you can use it like this too. Or you can go like, it's not working, so let's see.
Maybe make your tape a little bigger.
Let me make more, a little bit bigger. Okay. Or you can go like this, which I'm not good at it, but, or you can go like this. Dun, dun. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you.